Yeah, I come back here just to take the what's that? Yeah, this is the camera. And I'm already preparing my breakfast. Good morning, guys. Yo, break it down, yeah. Yeah, I'm preparing my breakfast. It is chicken marinated with just garlic and soy sauce and salt. And this will be in the coming days. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Outside is good. I don't know if it is going to rain like yesterday. In the morning was good, but in the middle was raining. Yeah, in the afternoon was good. I go out yesterday. Oh, oh! Last night I had this. This is sinigang, sour soup. It's yeah, prawn. Oh, I didn't able to show you yesterday, but I went to the grocery and I bought just prawn. This one. I forgot how much. It's around the 30 or $29 discounted. Look at that. This is a product of China. Yeah, frozen prawn. Also, the other thing that I bought is this vegetable. Bok choy and beans. Yeah, I'm going to put some in here later on because I'm going to eat this for lunch or maybe dinner. Oh. Okay, I'm now preparing my lunch. It's already late actually, already 3 o'clock. Yeah. So this is a sinigang, sour soup. So I put this prawns, and then the rest are vegetable. This is the leftover from last night. Sour, so good. Yeah, I think it's done. And you know, in a few days I will be back to work. Yeah. I'm gonna miss the days that I am just here doing busy. To be honest, I am really busy. Yeah, this computer things is really, I'm actually making a website, and it's amazing. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now around 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are just biking around. Yeah, I feel like doing it today this early because, yeah, I like it. Yeah, I've seen two ladies already. They are walking their dog, and one is jogging. Look at that. The sun is sun rising there. The sun is sun rising. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, the sun is rising at the moment in there. And with those cloud formations, really cool looking. Nice. And the water is look really calm at the moment. Yeah, we're going to the other street side. We'll check if there are people who are fishing this early. I know there are people who are fishing really late, like Chef Alessandro. He usually fish in the night and he's able to catch big fish in the night. I'm all alone left, whatever without you. I can't wait to say that I was so wrong. Oh yeah, there are some people fishing this early. I don't know if you can see, yeah, but there are more. So the sun is going to travel there, going there, and then at around 5 o'clock we'll be sitting down there, or maybe there. Yeah, somewhere there. So if you see here all this yacht, there are many, right? But there is one rescue yacht, no, two, and then there is the police yacht on that side. A lot of dub in here. flying around. And if you can see, there's one big pelican. It's in there. If we get closer, if we close, yes, he's going to fly away. So we're not going to disturb. We're not going to go through. Look at that. There's one lady is collecting garbage from the garbage bin. I am sure she's collecting the tin can, plastic, because you know every plastic, every tin can is 10 cents. I miss you. Oh, look at that. You notice that is really the beginning of the day, as you can see. Yeah, the sand is still plain. There's no footprints. Yeah, it means that there's still no people go through that. Yeah, nice. We go. Look at that, they were able to catch big fish, really big. Maybe 2 roller. Nice. Okay, we are now in Shoal Bay. There are people already fishing. Family, they are family. Oh, do you know that I have a donut here with me? I'm hungry. Yeah, I have this coffee. And I have the donut. This one. I'm going to eat one because I'm now feeling hungry. Still warm. I know that you know that I am always singing along, listening to the music, and that's why I have this earphone. This earphone is a bone conduction earphone. It means that I can hear music through the bones, my jawline, something like that. The good thing about this headphone is you can also hear the noise of the surroundings, of the environment, not just the music. I'm always listening to music, but yeah, the problem is I don't listen anymore to the I don't know the latest music these days. I know only the music that I always listen, which is from the 80s and 90s and maybe older. Yeah, they're a group of cyclists. And there's one lady walking her dog. We are now here in the Pingal Bay. Yeah, this is the beach, residential, and a lot of people that are jogging this time. Okay, that's it. We are going home now. Yo, that was a good ride. Yeah, it is al it is already 12:20. I already took shower. I already had the second coffee when I get here, and now I'm hungry. I already cooked the rice, and I take this out. This is flatbread. I put it in the freezer before. Now I am defrosting it because I'm going to eat that.